You're entering a new age in the metaverse, an age in which you can fully immerse yourself into a 3D photorealistic world. This brave new world simulates everything you can experience in real life. And all of this imaging is ray traced in real time. With NVIDIA's new GeForce graphic card and the new ADA chip, you're witnessing a whole new level of realism that we just haven't seen before. The level of detail you experience in Racer X is beyond comprehension. It's almost as if you're actually there. Just look at what you're seeing. Welcome to another edition of Shine 365. Today we'll explore the expanding new metaverse that NVIDIA's new graphic cards are creating right now. Technology is soaring. We can simulate and explore all of the things we ever wanted to do. Whether it's flying over a city in a two-seater plane or taking off on a full-blown 747, NVIDIA's new RTX Remix allows you to reimagine old metaverse games with a completely new twist. And the twist is photorealism. Enhanced by AI technology so good, it looks real. Just like this Ferrari and this spaceship, built with the same technology. And whatever else comes to mind, your hair, your facial muscles, your nose, your eyes, it's all here in real time. And you can build whatever is in your head. Do whatever you want to do. Create your own sentient being. The future is now. It's ready to be created. If you've enjoyed this podcast, please like, subscribe, and share. And as always, we'll see you next time on Shine 365.